Looks like I had a catastrophe in my little, what I like to call my tractor shed, tractor port. It's kind of where I keep my lawn tractors. But shush! Chickens are so happy. We got 40 degrees today. It's been so cold in Minnesota here. A lot of nights below zero. And we've had a lot of wind too. So this is a little catastrophe I had. We had, what was it? Over 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And it finally ripped my greenhouse plastic that I have on this little shed. Of course, I got a lot of tools and wood and all kinds of other stuff in it. And we're supposed to get 8-10 inches of snow now tonight. So this sucks. So I gotta try and, I know this is pretty much impossible, try and mend two pieces of plastic together. It is heavy plastic. I know it's at least 6 mil. 6 mil. I'm going to try and clean it because there's a lot of kind of stuff growing on it because there's trees over the top. Try and clean it with these Bactive disinfectant wipes. Not trying to disinfect it, just trying to clean it, but they're nice wet wipes that I got for free from Menards. For a while they actually paid you to buy these. $1 a piece you'd make on them. So I'm gonna try and clean it up, and I'm gonna try and fashion duct tape to in X's, I think. And then I have this special plastic poly tape. It's for sealing houses on the inside. When you wrap the inside of the house with plastic for when you wrap the inside of houses to keep the moisture from forming inside the walls. I fashioned a board behind it so I could press on it and clean it a little bit more. Cleaned her up pretty good. I dried it off also with paper towels. It's above freezing right now, but I still wasn't drying as fast as I wanted, so that's where I'm at. I'm about ready to try and tape it up with this poly tape. It's special poly tape. I sure hope it sticks good. I remember using it years ago and it seemed to really stick to it, so let's hope it does the trick. It's coming along. It might work. Reinforced it. Crisscrosses. Figure that might make it a little more stronger. And then also, you really got to press it down good and rub over it with your fingers to get it to adhere, especially when it's cooler weather like this. So I'm going all the way up along the seam on the outside. And then to really press it, make it adhere good, I'm using this, it's kind of a warped piece of pegboard. Has a little bit of an angle on it. I would have liked more of an angle, but I can't find anything good and curved. To really do it, it might work good if you have two people. One person could press on the inside while the other person puts a piece of tape on the outside. I don't know. What I really need is a new piece of plastic, but no time. Storm's coming. Well, finished product. About ready for the snowstorm. Think she'll hold. I'm not putting too many bets on it, but should give me more time to think about what I'm gonna. I need to rebuild this whole structure. Just, I don't know. Why do garages have to cost so much money, you know? Well, looks like I got her all patched up here. Holding up pretty good so far. Looks like heck, but this tape I used, it seems to be sticking really good, and I looked up some online, so I might have to buy some more of that stuff. It's plastic sheathing tape for like vapor barrier inside of houses. I've used that foil tape in the past. I thought that was so sticky, but this stuff looks like it's holding good so far. I think it might do the trick. Might get me through the winter. Ooh, she's slippery. Slippery and windy. Oh, you guys want to come out? It's warm out today. It's like 18 degrees. Ah, so warm. Not really. They want springtime so bad, don't ya? There's the inside. I think I may just buy one of those cheap greenhouses. Looks like the size that I want though is like $300. $300, a lot of money. I've even put some reinforcement here. Make sure it doesn't rip over the winter here. Just an old piece of, give a little extra strength from the wind. Hopefully. Put a couple thin laths, 1-bys behind. Hopefully that helps a little. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.